Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you a simple, cheaper and effective exfoliating body scrub to help you get rid of dead skin cells, leaving your skin radiant and moisturized. So let's get into this video. So first you will need a jar like this to store your mixture. Sugar is a natural exfoliator which evens out skin tone. It cleanses the pores and improves overall skin texture by removing dead dull skin cells. Olive oil is high in vitamin E which soothes and heals skin. It's a natural moisturizing ingredient often used for its anti-aging benefits. Rosewater has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness, irritation of the skin. It gets rid of acne and eczema. It is a great cleanser that aids in removing oil and dirt accumulated in clogged pores. Coconut oil increases hydration and reduces water loss in serious dry skin. It can also speed up wound healing. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and citric acid. They can help brighten your skin when used over time. Because lemons are antibacterial, they can help treat acne. So guys, now that we know the benefits of our body scrub, it is now time to start mixing all this together. So now I'm going to be starting with my sugar, and then I will just pour that into the jar. So now I have my brown sugar in the jar. Now I'm going to be adding the rest of the mixture, and this is olive oil. I'm going to add olive oil. I'm going to be adding my coconut oil, and then I'll add my rose water and glycerin. There. Now I'm cutting half a lemon and I'm just going to squeeze that into it as well. And if you feel you still want to add a little bit of sugar, it depends on you. It depends on the kind of consistency you want. But I would advise that you keep it nice and runny so that you can be able to apply that on your skin nice and easily. So guys, each time I use this mixture on my skin feels so soft, just like baby skin. I would advise that you give this a try and then come back and comment down below and tell me what you think about this product. I'm sure you're going to thank me for it. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you stick around till the end of this video, thank you so much, and I want you to comment down below what you think about this video. Your comments means a lot to me and I love reading your comments. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Please do not forget to give me a big fat thumbs up, and if you're new, you're welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe before leaving if you want more DIY videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.